Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open Outlook and go to the View tab to change layout options. Choose Reading Pane position on the right to preview messages quickly. Turn on Focused Inbox to prioritize emails and keep noise low. Enable Conversation View to group related messages by thread for cleaner lists. Sort messages by date or sender depending on your workflow preference. Set compact spacing and 3 panes to see more messages on screen at once. Create folders and subfolders named for projects, clients, or topics to categorize messages. Use rules to automatically move incoming mail into those folders by sender or subject. Set a rule to flag messages from your manager and mark them high priority. Apply color categories to messages for visual scanning and faster triage. Use conditional formatting to bold or color emails from key contacts. Combine rules and categories to keep an organized, automated inbox every day. Use the Archive button and Clean Up Conversation tool to remove redundant messages. Set auto archive or retention policies to move older mail after 180 days automatically. Empty deleted items regularly to reclaim storage and improve performance. Learn keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+E to search and Ctrl+Shift+K to create tasks for efficiency. Enable mobile sync with the same folders to maintain consistency across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.